फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड के इम्पोर्टेंट सेक्शंस, ऑर्डर्स एंड रूल्स। फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो अंत तक देखिए, लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलिए। तो चलिए जानेंगे सीपीसी के इम्पोर्टेंट सेक्शंस, ऑर्डर्स एंड रूल्स। सेक्शन 2 डेफिनेशंस, सेक्शन 6 pecuniary jurisdiction, section 9 courts to try all civil suits unless barred, section 10 stay of suit, section 11 res judicata, section 12 bar to further suit, section 13 when foreign judgment not conclusive, section 14 presumption as to foreign judgments, section 15 court in which suit to be instituted, section 16 suits to be instituted where subject matter situate, section 17 suits for immovable property situate within jurisdiction of different courts, section 18 place of institution of suit where local limits of jurisdiction of courts are uncertain. Section 19 suits for compensation for wrongs to person are movable. Section 20 other suits to be instituted where dependents reside or cause of action arises. Section 21 objections to jurisdiction. Section 21A bar on suit to set aside decree on objection as to place of suing. Section 22 power to transfer suit which may be instituted in more than one court. Section 23 to what court application lies. Section 24 general power of transfer and withdrawal. Section 25 power of Supreme Court to transfer suits etc. Section 26 institution of suits. Section 27 summons to dependents. Section 28 service of summons where dependent resides in another state. Section 29 service of foreign summonses. Section 30 power to order discovery and the like. Section 31 summons to witness. Section 32 penalty for default. Section 33 judgment and decree. Section 34 interest. Section 35 cost. Section 39 transfer of decree. Section 46 precepts. Section 52 enforcement of decree against legal representative. Section 55 arrest and detention. Section 56 prohibition of arrest or detention of woman in execution of decree for money. Section 60 property liable to attachment and sale in execution of decree. Section 77 letter of request. Section 78 commissions issued by foreign courts. Section 79 suits by or against government. Section 80 notice. Section 82 execution of decree. Section 89 arbitration. Section 91 public nuisances and other wrongful acts affecting the public. Section 92 public charities. Section 96 to Section 112 appeals. Section 113 to Section 115 reference, review and revision. Section 144 application for restitution. Section 148 enlargement of time. Section 148A right to lodge a caveat. Section 151 saving of inherent powers of court. Section 152 amendment of judgments, decree or orders. Section 153 general power to amend. So friends, ये थे important section CPC के. अब हम जानेंगे important orders and rules of civil procedure code. Order number 1, parties to suits. Rule 1, who may be joined as plaintiffs. Rule 3, who may be joined as defendants. Rule 9, misjoinder and non-joinder. Rule 10, suit in name of wrong plaintiff. Rule 13, objections as to non-joinder or misjoinder. Order number 2, frame of suit. अब फ्रेम ऑफ सूट इस ऑर्डर में कि हम इम्पोर्टेंट रूल जानेंगे. रूल 1 फ्रेम ऑफ सूट. रूल 3 जॉइंडर ऑफ कॉजेस ऑफ एक्शन. रूल 7 ऑब्जेक्शंस एज टू मिसजॉइंडर. Order number 4, institution of suits. Rule 1, suit to be commenced by plaintiff. Rule 2, register of suits. Order number 5, issue and service of summons. Rule 1, summons. Rule 3, court may order defendant or plaintiff to appear in person. Rule 9, delivery or transmission of summons for service. Rule 9A, summons given to the plaintiff for service. Rule 15, where service may be on an adult member of defendant's family. Rule 17, procedure when defendant refuses to accept service or cannot be found. Rule 20, substitute service. Rule 24, service on dependent in prison. Rule 28, service on soldiers, sailors or airmen. Rule 30, substitution of letter or summons. Order number 6, pleadings generally. Rule 1, pleading. Rule 2, pleading to state material facts and not evidence. Rule 3, forms of pleading. Rule 16, striking out pleading. Rule 17, amendment of pleadings. Rule 18, failure to amend after order. Order number 7.